Hi guys, I hope you can see me. Welcome back to Clean, Organise and Repair Wednesday. Right, so as you may or may not have heard me mention that our washing machine, this machine right here, has been making a hell of a racket. So I've done a bit of research and it could be several different problems. I'm going to look at two problems if possible. Number one is the legs, to make sure it's actually balanced out and it's not rocking, which I have tested, but it has, as you see, it's meant to be pushed back, so it has moved out of place, and I'm not sure if that's, once it's in place, if the legs are, yeah, you know what I mean. We're gonna have to test that out. There's no point in pulling the whole thing out of this very tight space just to find actually the legs is not the problem. So we're going to start here. I'm going to open this up and clean the filter. I have these little, sorry, that's Nicole doing the kitchen for me. I have these little foil disposable trays. I'm going to use that to catch the water. I have a cloth, a bucket here, and I have this very small flathead screwdriver, which I'm going to use to help me open this. I've got my toolbox here, so let's get started. I hope you're able to see. Let me put you here, actually. Right. So I'm going to put this under here, and I think it should just pop right out like so. Okay, already I can see that we have, I don't know what that is. What is that? What is that?
What is what?
Look, what's this stuff? As soon as I opened it, that's what I saw.
I have no idea what that is.
Okay, so let's move that.
What's
Right, so next thing we're going to do is open this little valve thing here, which obviously is going to start letting water out, so we need to be really cautious, and hopefully we're able to catch the water. We do it very slowly to start with, because we don't want to flood the place. So I'm going to just keep repeating that until basically, oh, it stinks. I'm going to keep repeating that anyway until it's completely filtered out. And I will come back. As you see, I'm going to have to do it a little bit at a time in order for us not to, you know, get a flood going. So I will come back in a moment. Right, so guys, so far this is the water that I've managed to catch using one of these trays. It stinks real badly, and it seems like this is the culprit. We have half a toothpick, we've got some sort of paper, and this thing right here has bobby pins in it and paper in it, and is really disgusting. So what we're going to have to do now is clean this off and give that a good wash. I do have my old toothbrushes that I use for my cleaning. I'm going to use those. Also, I have my torch here because if you look right in there, you should see that the valve actually, it does move quite freely. And that's what you need to check for, that it can, you know, it can move in both directions quite easily. And then also right in this hole right here, you should check for any other debris, and then give it a good washing out and give this a good washing out. And so that's what I'm about to do now, and I will come back once I have done that, and we will test if the machine is it just off balance, or was this the issue? Okay, I'll see you in a minute. Hi guys, so I'm back. I have just cleaned this valve. It's not the best. It still looks quite filthy. I used my soapy water right here, hot soapy water. I feel like it's as clean as it's going to get at this point, because obviously it's been just caked with debris for however long and it's just stained. But as long as the main part is clean, it's clear, there's nothing blocking it. This is what we found in there. So there is bits of paper. I scooped this out from the inside because you also need to check there. And it looks like we have some bobby pins, toothpicks, papers. So for me, it looks like that could be the cause of the issue. So the next thing we're going to do, yes, so I also cleaned in here, cleaned out in there, made sure this can still spin around quite freely, and cleaned out there as well as cleaning the cover. Right, so I'm going to put everything back in place and see what happens. We're going to push back the machine, and fingers crossed that this was the issue and it doesn't need us to pull it all out and adjust the legs. So fingers crossed that that was the issue. Okay, I'll be back. Hi guys, welcome back. You will never believe this. So I put everything back and we was about to, here's Nicole, we was about to push the machine back into place just to test if it still balances out and if the debris that I found is the culprit for why. But this is what we found instead while we were trying to get the rug that's underneath the machine out from the machine. I did not know what this is, but this definitely tells us that the machine is gone and there's nothing we can do but get a new washing machine. This is what I saw. So guys, I don't know if you can see right there, that's a big
Turn on your
a big thing of a slab of, it looks like a stone or something. It's obviously a big massive part that's fallen out of the drum, and that tells me this is irreparable. This is not no home job, home fix. So that's an issue because we all, let me show you again really quickly with my torch. Can you see that? That has definitely fallen out from underneath the machine. That is not repairable at all whatsoever. So it looks like we need to get rid of this washing machine and come up with some funds for a complete new washing machine. And this is just not the time of year, with everything crawling up in price, with bills, with just everything. This is just not the one right now. I'm really gutted about this. I will keep you posted as to what we end up doing, which obviously we need to find a way of getting this machine out and budget somehow for a new machine, because this one is not a repair job at all. Anyway, I'm going to end it there. I will keep you posted as to what we do and what machine we end up getting, if we get a machine, when we get a machine. I will keep you posted. I'm just shocked right now to see this big slab thing. I don't know what we're going to do with that. I don't know how we're getting this out of here. I have no answers. I'm just really, I thought after I saw the debris in there that, that's what it was. But that's not what it was at all. Anyway, stay safe, be safe, and peace. This one was a definite fail, guys.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, hope to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeeze till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. 'Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. Always swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up. live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Put a rock star on the side, live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Put a rock star on the side, live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, a disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grieving. Put your foot on the gas, no, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it, I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah.
Hi guys, so I don't know if you saw or if I've put in them the delivery bringing the new machine. So we have a new washing machine and the first wash is on, guys. The first wash is on. Kylan's having the first wash and this is it. First little test run. So we're happy about that. We can finally do our washing, and yeah, I just came on here basically to close out the video. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment and subscribe. Any suggestions, please let me know down below. I would definitely recommend using the service that we did if you live in the UK. The Argos service with the extra £50, I think, gets them to take the old washing machine and replace it with the new, plumbing it in and everything, as well as delivery. It was great. We're happy with the service. It was really smooth running, bish bash, and it was done as I hope you saw. Anyway, yeah, also comment down below any suggestions on anything you'd like me to do as far as clean, repair and organise. Within reason, of course. I've only got a small place. Okay then, I hope you enjoyed our nightmare to what's the word, delivery, where we just about managed to squeeze the funds together to get this done, because we all work and we're all very active in this house. We're all very active and we all work. So we need clean clothes, okay? It was not even a vanity thing. It was just a necessity. It really was. Anyway, I'm gonna go. Thanks for watching. Those who's watched and spent that little bit of your day watching me getting this situation sorted. By the way, it is, I think, the following week or 2 weeks later from us discovering the situation of the machine. So it's about 2 weeks later, 2-3 weeks later. Luckily, we was able to swing that. So that was great. Anyway, stay safe, be safe, and peace. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.